Hello and welcome to this video on Chat GPT and how you can use it to make money. First, let's start by explaining what Chat GPT is and how it works. Chat GPT is a chatbot that uses the GPT-3 language model developed by OpenAI to generate human-like text responses to user input. It is capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of topics and can even carry on a conversation with a user in a natural and engaging way. The GPT-3 language model that powers Chat GPT is one of the most advanced natural language processing systems in the world. It has been trained on a vast amount of text data and can generate text that is often indistinguishable from text written by a human. This makes Chat GPT an incredibly powerful tool for businesses and individuals who need a chatbot that can handle a wide range of topics and interactions. There are a few ways that you can utilize Chat GPT to generate income. Provide Chat GPT as a service to businesses or individuals who need a chatbot for their website or customer service. This could include creating custom Chat GPT models for specific industries or use cases, and charging a fee for the setup and maintenance of the chatbot. For example, you could create a Chat GPT chatbot for a small business that helps customers find products and make purchases, or for a customer service team that can handle a high volume of inquiries. Use Chat GPT to generate content for social media platforms or websites. For example, you could use Chat GPT to generate engaging and relevant content for a blog or social media page, and then monetize that content through advertising or sponsorships. This could be a great way to leverage Chat GPT's ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Create and sell Chat GPT chatbot templates or courses on how to use Chat GPT. If you have expertise in creating and using chatbots, you could create templates or courses, or even scripts. This could be a great way to share your knowledge and skills with others while also generating income. Use Chat GPT to assist with tasks or projects that require a lot of writing or data entry. For example, you could use Chat GPT to generate product descriptions or transcribe audio files, and then charge a fee for your services. This could be a great way to save time and effort on tasks that are repetitive or time-consuming, and allow you to focus on more valuable work. Overall, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that has a wide range of potential uses and can be a valuable source of income for those who know how to use it effectively. Whether you're looking to provide Chat GPT as a service, create and monetize content, or use it to assist with tasks and projects, there are plenty of opportunities to generate income with it. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a cutting-edge chatbot that uses the powerful GPT-3 language model to generate human-like text responses. It has a wide range of potential uses and can be a valuable source of income for those who know how to use it effectively. Thanks for watching this video on Chat GPT and how to make money using it.